Today we'll discuss the chapter number 9 from your book First Flight of class 10th. Madam Rides the Bus. The lesson is about a brave 8-year-old who had a strong desire and along with it the courage to fulfill it. She liked gazing at the hustle and bustle of the street, and her favorite part was the sight of a bus arriving and departing. Thus she developed a deep desire to travel by bus. For that she needed all sorts of the information about the bus journey. So she collect the bus fare and then plan it so that she could be back at home before her mother woke up from her afternoon nap. Thus the story brings us recounting of the how innocently but responsibly she fulfilled her deepest desire and her experiences on the bus ride. How an incident makes her realize the reality of death. And the name of that girl is Valli, 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 okay, who did not have friends to play with, and so she would spend her time by looking at the outside affairs going on the street. It was her favorite part was to look at the bus that passed by her village every hour, and by looking at this and by watching this, that experience gave her endless joy. As she looked new set of the passengers each time the bus crossed. Gradually even she wished to travel by bus. Soon the wish turned into the desire and therefore she made it her mission to fulfill it. फिर उसने ये तय कर लिया कि मुझे अब बस में सफ़र करना है, ट्रेवल करके इस सफ़र कैसा होता है उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना है. She started listening to the conversations between her the neighbors who frequently traveling by the bus, and in that process she would ask a few careful questions here and there to collect the more information. Just like this, she knew that the town is 6 miles away from village and it took the bus 45 minutes to travel one side. One-sided fare was a 30 paisa and altogether make it the 60 for back and coming back. आने जाने का दोनों का 60 पैसा. Therefore she started planning and replanning so that she could go out during when her when mother was sleeping or taking nap in the afternoon and come back before she woke up and before without her knowing anything उसकी मदर को कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा, उससे पहले मैं आना जाना करके अपना ये एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर लूँगी. So she needed to save the money, which was not easy as she had to resist all the planning. Finally she saved enough money, and one fine day the brave 8-year-old took the bus during its not very busy hours. She refused to take any help from the conductor or the fellow passenger. It was an amusing sight for everyone to see such a small girl all alone acting like an adult. The conductor was of the joking sort and thus referred to Valli as a grown up madam. उसको कंडक्टर मजाक में उस छोटी सी बच्ची को मैडम कह के बुला रहा था. As she was short heighted and she would stand on her seat to be able to see clearly from the window, while everyone advised her to sit for her own safety. हाइट कम होने की वजह से खड़े होकर विंडो से देखना चाह रही थी, लेकिन सब ने उसको एडवाइस करा कि आपकी सेफ्टी इसी में ही है कि दैट यू शुड बी सिट ऑन योर सीट. ईच टाइम समवन वुड as someone would interrupt her, Valli would get annoyed as she did not consider herself a child. She did not want to be the friends with an elderly lady who was worried about her because she thought she was not socially capable enough. So she enjoyed seeing what was going on outside and the sight of running cow in the middle of a road, and the funny scenario it is a funny scenario for her. Upon reaching the upon reaching the town, she refused to get down the bus because she was too afraid to do so alone. While returning, she carried extreme enthusiasm until she saw a cow lying lifeless on the road. It was the same cow that was running on the in between the road. Wali get terrified at the fact that how that creature or that cow, which is so full of life, can instantly turn into the something dead. She sat down silently for the rest of the journey, and upon reaching home, she found her mother and aunt talking about the endless possibilities in the world outside. वली affirmed to what her क्या वो मदर और उसकी जो cousin sisters थी, mother and aunt, those who whatever is they are talking about. Then she then justified her reaction by mentioning that she was casually agreeing to what her mother was saying. Her aunt then referred to as Wali as a interrupting child who acts like a grown-up lady, but only Wali knew what she was referring to, because after all, no one knew about her bus journey. So at the end, she tried to interfere in the conversation of her mother and aunt as they were talking about the what is happening outside the world. So now she also has joined and want to share what she have noticed and what she know about the outside world, but her aunt took her as a interrupting child, and but she was thinking herself, और वो अपने आप में ये सोच रही थी कि that because after all no one knew about her the bus journey. That's it for now, students. That the explanation is over here. Listen it carefully.